The emotional quality a dwelling possesses, that intangible sense of belonging and reassurance, is arguably the true metric of a successful home. The acclaimed tiny house, known as the Homey Charm on wheels, excels at delivering this feeling despite its diminutive size. It powerfully rejects the assumption that living compactly must equate to cold utility or purely practical function. Instead, it boldly champions profound domestic warmth and sophisticated stylistic depth. The architects expertly channeled the timeless, enduring aesthetic of mid-century modernism, successfully translating its clean, optimistic forms into a fully portable structure that feels remarkably permanent and profoundly welcoming. Upon initial inspection, the home radiates an inherent geniality, a result of melding the era's signature lines with tactile, organic materials to forge a truly personal and resonant living environment. This miniature refuge unequivocally demonstrates that choosing a life of reduced possessions and unrestricted movement does not necessitate sacrificing the rich, cherished ambience of a traditional, well-established residence. It is, in essence, a meticulously designed, bespoke haven, presenting an immensely attractive and polished counterpoint to conventional housing options. The core design philosophy driving this tiny house is the pursuit of deliberate amenity achieved through brilliant manipulation of limited space. Fundamentally, the structure maximizes every cubic and square inch with an equal commitment to both utility and visual appeal. A standout feature is the clever extension of its width, a strategic decision that immediately dissolves the claustrophobic, restrictive corridor effect so typical of trailer-based homes, granting the interior a surprising sense of volume. The entire internal flow revolves around a generous, inviting communal space, often incorporating substantial seating and a highly visible heat source, such as an elegant, miniature wood-burning fireplace, instantly establishing a cozy, central gathering point. Furthermore, the builder's commitment to superior craftsmanship is evidenced in the inclusion of high calibre details, including unique, purpose-built wooden windows that not only inject immense architectural character, but also ensure the home is consistently saturated with vital daylight. Critically, the integration of a full-height bedroom on the main level, a rare and significant luxury in tiny house plans, serves as definitive proof of the home's uncompromising dedication to comfort and true, long-term habitability. The interior narrative unfolds as a masterful synthesis where the classic tenets of mid-century modern design encounter a sincere, artisanal touch. This rich, stylistic confluence is most visible in the pervasive use of warm, naturally finished wood elements, establishing a cohesive and elegant visual foundation. The kitchen often emerges as a primary showcase, boasting custom-built joinery, robust countertops frequently crafted from handsome, salvaged timber, and charming, retro-inspired appliances that maintain full contemporary utility. To prevent the look from becoming sterile, the atmosphere is deliberately animated by strategic applications of the era's characteristic hues. Think deep turquoise, soft olive, or vibrant tangerines, skillfully deployed across soft furnishings, decorative pieces, and even unexpected fixtures, such as striking, vividly colored bathroom tiles. The presence of textured, hand-plastered walls, creatively shaped window openings, and finely integrated custom storage units collectively elevates this dwelling beyond mere shelter. It becomes a work of art, solidifying a feeling of profound personalization and skilled construction that truly embraces all who enter. Beyond its undeniable aesthetic appeal, the Homey Charm on wheels functions as a tangible representation of a deeply conscious and resource-efficient lifestyle. The construction process typically embodies an ethical commitment to reducing overall mass and construction waste, often through the inventive incorporation of reclaimed or locally sourced components. For its residents, This tiny house provides an agile and economically viable foundation that actively supports a wide array of customized, purpose-driven existences.